Hi friends, this is Shambhavi. Welcome to Kaara Sweet. It's too yummy to fill your tummy. Before moving on, if you're not yet subscribed or are new to my channel, do subscribe now. As I said in my earlier video that we are coming up with mom's cooking in Kaara Sweet for cooking in easiest way with various kitchen hacks. The first video in Kitchen Hack series was how to make jaggery syrup at home. If you haven't watched, please do click the link in the description. The next in the series is all-time essentials time-saving cooking hacks. Come let us know how to make tamarind pulp paste for quicker cooking always. For that, you need to take raw tamarind. We usually bring seedless tamarind, so in that itself half the work is done. To make it even more simpler while cooking, we need to soak this in water. Take 2 cups of water and you need to heat it. Put the required amount of tamarind in a bowl and add 1 teaspoon of salt. So this acts as a preservative and the tamarind paste wouldn't get spoiled. Now pour the hot water into the bowl. You need to see to that the quantity of water taken should be sufficient enough to immerse the tamarind completely, as pouring hot water would soften the tamarind very easily, and this helps our paste to become smoother very fast. After pouring water, gently push in the tamarind into the water so that it gets completely soaked, and this makes our work even more easier. And after that, keep this aside for half an hour and let the water completely cool down. It's very usual that in the earlier method of squeezing of the tamarind's raw water directly into the dishes, sometimes the lumps of tamarind would be just left away, and if the same is consumed, you find it too tangy and sour. And to avoid all those, this hack might help you all. After half an hour, the water is cooled down, and so you need to grind the tamarind into paste right now. Take the tamarind soaked in water into the grinder directly, and you can take the water that was soaked also, so that the core essence of the tamarind taste would not get washed away. As this is drinking water, you need not worry, and grind it completely into fine thick paste. Grind it for 10 seconds. Now you can see it has turned into paste, and now you can add, if some more quantity of tamarind is left to be grinded, you can add it along with the previous one. So this also helps and works as a bonus for you all. In fact, this helps the ungrinded tamarind to become paste even more sooner. And now cover the lid and grind it for 15 to 20 seconds if required. This makes the paste too smoothie, and if tamarind's fibers are left, it would just be completely grinded. Kindly note, once the paste is done, immediately do transfer it into any other container and not iron, copper or aluminium utensils, as tamarind would tend to react chemically and a metallic reaction would take place, and this might pose some dangers if left for long hours in such utensils. So it's better to be on safer side and to transfer it completely in a plastic container, and this can be stored in fridge for 15 to 30 days, and again it depends upon your household usage. The advantage of this hack is once the paste is done and stored in fridge, it can be accessed as and when you require, and there would be no repetitive time waste every time you cook a dish that requires tamarind paste to be added. And this paste can be used for all the spicy foods and curries. The paste is done and ready to use. I hope this video has helped you all, and for more such informative videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do await for our next video on spicy ground masala paste, which is used as multi-purpose in multiple ways while cooking. Thank you for watching.